Good morning, everyone. How we doing? Good morning. Good morning. See if we can make some money today. Can everyone hear me well? See my screen? Everything's good? Good morning, Team Bull. How is everyone? Share my screen. What's up, everyone? How's it going this morning? I'm sitting here drinking a different type of protein shake. See, hold on one second. So you're on Team Bear this morning, Andrew? Let's do it. Welcome in. If you have any questions, drop them in the comment chat here. Make sure to help me share the live for the YouTube, everyone, and TikTok, but YouTube especially, where it's a different type of streaming, new setup, may be hard to find from what I was reading. So, what do you think about the new YouTube stream setup, everyone? You like it? Good morning, Jackson. How are you doing this morning? Live on TikTok and YouTube. So, I'm gonna watch this area up here for a possible short. We'll see. Thank you. You like it? You can put me on your TV now. Nice. Yeah, the setup is much better. Medman and I figured out how to make it fast. So you should have like, what was it, Medman? Like a 3 to 4 second delay on YouTube. What do you, did anyone take the Asia Low retest? That's one of our favorite setups. I'm just curious if anyone took it. No, right now, I mean, looks like we're headed down to me as far as pre market price action goes. You all see any nice demands below? Appreciate that. What's your name? Dev? I'm just gonna call you Dev. That good? Oh yeah, we're back. YouTube is back. TikTok, welcome in, by the way. hit the follow, and if you like, move over to my YouTube. You can see it much better, new setup and all. So you can find a link to my YouTube at grizzlytrades.com. Don't forget, we got to do the giveaway at the end of this stream. Someone remind me, okay? Do I trade ICT? I trade fair value gaps if it, has some added confluence with it, but that's the only way I use it. Helps, identify entries. Good morning, Armin. Welcome in, everyone. King says I'm excited to actually be profitable for the first time in my trading career. It's awesome, King. Uh, when I started up yesterday, man, it was horrible. The late session, as far as that goes. Hey, did you see? I like the new setup as well. And empty my pocket. Get ready to trade. Good morning, Outside Daily. Feel really good this morning. Your challenge is going well. Sore and tired from it, but going well. David, I'm glad to be back. Medbang, have to answer that one because I have no idea. I don't really watch streams often, so. What indicator did I use to mark the pre-market, the levels you see on the screen? It's Grizzology, my own. You can look at it in my website, grizzlytrades.com. Just read about it, see if it's something you like. Ryan, that's one thing you got to change right now. Your mindset, thinking like that. You can't, when you're trading, you can't think, oh, I got to make my losses back. That money's gone. It's gone. You don't have it no more. Forget about it. Your net worth is what it is right now. Focus on the money you're going to make. You can have it, Ryan. It'll come with a little more experience. Good morning. Fabiola, you have to drag down the chat box, is what Madman said. To like on YouTube. Share it live, everyone. I still think building businesses is one of the best incomes there is. One of the um, building, scaling businesses, buying business, something like that. I have started and had a few businesses fail on me before. It's all right, though. At least I tried. Has anybody had any businesses fail? We're just talking. It's not time yet for any trades. TikTok, hit the follow button. But if you want to move over to the YouTube, I got a new layout. You can see it a lot better. Um, even put it on your TV if you like. Your MMA gym failed. I had a. Do you all remember when I was having the app built? Right. I had a great idea, but by the time they got it built, it was just outdated. I took a complete loss, like over 60K loss on that one idea. So 60 something, I can't remember. Did you, Ken? Good morning, me. I would rather fail than not try at all, you know? This AI is so advanced and it's hard to build something, anywhere close to it, using it. How can I put this? AI was advancing so quickly at the point when I was trying to have the app built, and now you all seen it, how crazy it is now. It just passed me up. Had a great idea at the time, and it just outdated by the time it was finished. Thanks, Vance. You own a bridal store but mix family with business? Yeah, you never want to do that. Uh, JJ, you can message me about it on Instagram. We can talk about your ideal there. If I can help you out any way, I will. Give you my honest thoughts, at least. All right. I'd make Jay Dunn host of the Zoom. Yo, 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 what's good? Good morning. Good morning. What's up? How's your morning going? Good. How you doing? Doing great. Had a nice workout. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. What do you have? I had a push day. My favorite. That is your favorite, huh? Love it, man. I gotta let Gina. Gene decided against moving to Mexico. He's back. I had a few people in chat. All right, everyone. Any questions? Market opens in what, like 8, 9 minutes? What would I like to do next? As far as making money, other than day trading with you all, the book I was reading, I have still reading, the one I started with the challenge, got me wanting to actually purchase existing businesses. So we'll see if that plays out or not. Is the oil pumping? Jaden, can you allow me to share my screen for Team Bull?
Yeah, it was hiding behind all my things.
All right.
Yeah, it hasn't been letting me reclaim host lately. I don't know why. They changed some stuff with Zoom. We caught a banger trade during Power Hour yesterday.
No.
Nice win. 40 points. I took that pre-market high retest up here with like 15, 20 minutes left in the day. I took the shorts right here, and we literally just dumped. There's a lot of people from Team Bull that caught it too. We had a good audience. You probably had like
Nice, man.
yeah, there's 300-400 people.
Team Bull, can you? Whoa, why did it pause on there? Team Bull, can you see my screen now? Just want to make sure.
Let's get our Q levels up. Okay, that felt good. No trade during New York yesterday, but got a very nice trade during Power Hour.
Nice. The Asia Low has that strength already this morning. I'm gonna watch this, Jaden. If you can see my screen, I'm gonna watch this short entry up here around this 800 area. 80, 780s to 800. We push up.
I like that area too.
I'm not sure if we will though. Looks like we're gonna reject this Asia low, then go down. What's up? Welcome in, everyone. Talking to Jay down there. Getting Team Bull set up. Good morning, Red. Welcome in, everyone. It's gonna be a good day. Um, I have a quick question. Then we can just get to business. What golf clubs do you all recommend? I'm gonna try to get into golfing. So, for those that have experience with that, probably have to go to Dick's to buy them in my area. I don't know. Dick's Sporting Goods. Yes. Ping. Everyone's saying ping. Okay. One last question. I lied. Best way to learn golfing. What would you say? At the golf course or like actual like training? Yeah. Invite Trump to get on his tweets, learn his tweet schedule. Get lessons. All right. Manifesting a big day for us, everyone. Market's been tough, but we're all still showing up, right? I caught a trade yesterday. If you was on, I went live during Power Hour for a minute to test a new YouTube stream layout. Yes, it is Fabiola. Appreciate it. All the help. From what I'm seeing, evidently to be a pro golfer, though, you have to at least get a DUI every decade or so, right? Is it too soon? Too soon? Welcome in, TikTok. Only if you're the GOAT. That's fair. Fair, I guess. Welcome in, everyone. What's up, Jersey? How you been? Learn how to drive first? Yeah. He was just on Claritin for his allergies. First off, TikTok, I appreciate you all for watching. The market's about to open in like 1 minute or so, so it's about trading time. So hit the follow here. Then check out YouTube stream as well. You get the full chart. You can even watch it on your TV if you would like. You can find my YouTube link in grizzlytrades.com. Morning, Thomas. Esteban. I'm gonna watch this fair value gap, but seems as though we're wanting to rip, so we may just invalidate it right off. We'll see what happens. I just hate taking anything right off the open in this current market. Used to, you could catch a nice breakout trade the first 15 minutes, but now it just can be choppy. All right, I'm going to talk to Team Bull for a bit, see what J Dun's got going on. Let's do this, everyone.
Oh, what's up, everybody? Let's go.
Let's do it.
Focus in. Focus up. Focus up, everybody.
It literally invalidated that reject area almost immediately. Well, could sweep it.
Hit it. Hit it, Grizzly. You hit it, I'll hit it.
I would try if it wasn't the first candle. I'm not trying it, everyone. Gonna set that one out. Y'all have any questions, drop them in the chat. The 15-minute range orb, Charlie, is what we usually go with. So we'll know if that's valid once we see our breakout candle of the 15-minute range. That's what we look for. For those that are new, that's how we usually that's how we what's the word?
All right, everybody.
Hold on.
This is your reminder to choose D.
That's how we validate the orb setup. The breakout candle. We look at the volume. Oh yeah. What do you think, YouTube? You liking it? I asked earlier, but you like the new setup? Appreciate the follows. I am back. This is in cube, but you can trade M in cube based off a setup if you like, Sam. The reason I didn't take the orb yesterday, we had it was valid, right? We had enough volume on the breakout candle, but I was looking for the retest entry when we got the retest entry confirmed. It's just a little too much risk, and it didn't pull back enough for me to get in the trade. That's the only reason we didn't take that. Good morning. Hopefully, we'll catch a nice trade. Yeah, you can share the live, everyone, if you like. Just don't get in trouble posting it in someone's Discord or something, you know? Don't get kicked out. Good morning, Naya. Well, Charlie, the orb, there's two different ranges the way I see it. You got the 15-minute range and the 30-minute range. We mainly watch the 15-minute. Is the market? It's half a day tomorrow, right? I need to actually look. Can you all verify tomorrow's half a day with Good Friday? I'm probably gonna stream if it is. So see if we can't catch a trade. Last time I did on a short day like that, we caught a nice trade. Don't expect that because typically, short days are tough. But the last one we tried, it worked out well. The market's closed tomorrow. What about futures? Are they open? Look and see if futures are open. Sometimes stock market will be closed. Futures will be open half a day. What's my win rate? Um, I don't even know altogether. We was in like the upper 70s in all accounts. Me, is that yours? I like to keep my win rate at least in the 70s. Try to. Don't always work out like that, but I try. It's hard to judge if someone's profitable off win rate, though. We always have to keep that in mind. Don't get uh, don't get too excited when you see people post their win rates. I think what my win rate has been really good on though is selling options. We've had a solid start to this year. Nice. 85% is awesome. Make sure you follow. I go live every morning. It swept that 800 and selling off heavy, huh? Jersey's got a dad joke for us. What do you call a An American bee. Don't know. Let me think. Don't have the answer to that one. Morning, boss DJ. How you doing this morning, man? Let me talk to Jay down a bit. So everyone's seeing closed. So futures are just completely closed tomorrow. Is it half a day on them, or is everything closed?
Probably half day, but I will not be participating. This is my last day of the trading week.
What was that day
I
that
want to. What?
we remember the last time we traded half a day? Was the stock market half a day that day, or was it just futures? Because we made a bag that day.
It was future. It's usually futures for the early close. Yeah, I will not be participating tomorrow. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do something. Maybe go skiing. Gene, you wanna go skiing?
I thought they closed it. I thought you said they closed it or something.
Some of the resorts that start opening days tomorrow too. Fortunately, I don't drink or party, so that's the last thing I want to do tomorrow. The last thing I want to do is go to actually watch a baseball game.
It's funny.
Literally, probably the last thing.
If you have any questions, drop them in chat. TikTok, I'm telling you all, you should move over to YouTube. Check it out. I think you will love the setup over there. Very clear. You can go to grizzlytrades.com and find my YouTube link. Appreciate the follow, Jesus. So everything's closed tomorrow. I guess no trading tomorrow. We'll have to make it today, right? You could stream and do like an educational thing tomorrow. Well, what do you do with a candle like this? Excuse me. I'm just gonna go normal size today, everyone. I mean, I'll let you know if I say I'm starting my position. What time is it? If I say I'm starting my position early, I'll take half size there, and I'll add where I say I'm gonna add the rest. But I'll probably trade normal size today. What about that Asia low retest? Let me talk to Team Bull here. What do you all think if we retest Asia low for shorts? Team Bull? Anybody?
Where's Asia low at? 750.
Yeah.
I don't hate it.
I don't know if we'll get up there, but
Well, those type of trades have been a little tougher, but I was talking to you earlier. I said that 800 reject would have been it.
yeah.
Done in 10 minutes.
Yeah, but we I thought we was just gonna rip straight up, as far as we went before we wicked back down.
Ripper.
If you can catch a nice trade, everyone.
Let's do it. It's a real nice trade. Got 4 more minutes till our 15-minute range is in.
This is going to be one of them candles where it just retraces the whole move and breaks the 15-minute range high. Oh, once the 15-minute range is in, 3 minutes.
Circles for you.
It's like 10 points from where I was going to try shorts. I guess the 50% retracement of that candle was it, huh? Kayla, I don't think so. We just have to hang out in the live. Why did it give you all an ad on there? I don't understand. I don't have it on, I don't believe. YouTube, if I have on the where I get paid for the streaming, I'll turn it off next time. It must have turned back on automatically when I exit out. I hate when you all get ads like that.
10 points too early to even think about the retracement. 740 for the 750.
I got you. I got you. I don't know how to turn off. I can't turn off the ads midstream, but next time, I promise you. No, we haven't taken a trade yet, everyone. Just hang in there. I was about to rip some shorts, but it didn't quite get to my Asia low.
1 more minute until 15-minute range is in. That's it. Don't make me rip some 0 DTEs to end the week. Don't make me do it.
Can you all see my description on there? The new setup? Just want to make sure everything's working properly still. Thanks, man. Good morning. Yes, I am back. You can share the live. Yeah, that's hilarious. How often are they popping up the ads? Was it just one? Or is it just like continuously?
I really do be doing that. I saw it in Power Hour, but stuck in a meeting. It was a horrible feeling. Well, the good news is that setup will come again and again and again.
I'm not in the trade yet. I'm just watching everyone. I'll let you know if I take anything here. See where this candle closes. Be it.
Let me know if you end up taking it. So I can give you moral support.
Some moral support.
Give you all the moral support.
I think we made the move we was looking for when we rejected from that 50% retracement of that candle off the candle before.
Yep. I'll still watch this pre-market high for reject too, guys. 850 to like 880. Then or maybe we'll look for an orb setup on the way up, but I'll still watch that for reject. People want to trade some options. The people are itching to trade some options.
Thanks, Jonathan. Appreciate it. No trades from me yet. What's up, Peachy? I'm good. Glad you're back. How many people does it say we have on YouTube right now? We have like 462 on TikTok. It's hard to see in this new setup. Share the live, everyone. Thanks. 207. Sorry about the ads, YouTube. They will not be on tomorrow. It was my mistake. Thanks, Travis. I'm glad you liked the new YouTube stream setup. We have a Fed speaker at 10 a.m. Good to know. Thanks for telling me. Good morning, Ashley. Nick, did you take it up there? Or you just watching? If you have any questions, make sure you drop them in the comments, the chat here. I do my best to answer all of them if I can. We're waiting on a legit setup. If I take a trade, I'll be clear and let you all know. And if you see a setup you like, let me know. We'll talk about it. If you're new or you just don't want to risk your own capital, you want to trade funded accounts, go to grizzlytrades.com, look at Apex, Tradeify, Top, or Take Profit. Use code Grizzly, pick which one you like best, works best for you. Grizzlytrades.com, yes. I just want out of this 15-minute range. This blue box you see on my screen, That's what I want out of before I take a trade. I think it's best, don't you all, that we wait till we're out of this 15-minute range today? Because we already retraced a massive red candle. What's up, Bella? I was hoping we could trade tomorrow, but everyone's saying that the futures are not open tomorrow. If they were half a day, I would go live in the morning with you all. See if we can catch something, or at least make it educational, something. Yeah, it's Good Friday tomorrow. Easter is Sunday, everyone. Danny said let's trade Asia session tonight instead. I would, Danny, but I gotta hang out with my daughter. All right, we're breaking out of the 15-minute range. Um, we got a minute 35. We need higher volume on this candle to even consider the orb strategy.
So if you're trading Asia tonight, and the market's closed before like New York Open, tell y'all one thing: I will not be here tomorrow morning. I'll be doing a lot of other things that are not trading. All right, I'm gonna watch how we react in this candle up here. Come on, go higher. Go like 8.
Hitting VWAP, everyone. We got the volume to confirm the orb. Jesus, what a stop loss though. Was that 760? Definitely have to wait on the retest for the orb, everyone, if this breakout candle's massive. What that was all about. Everyone still hear me good? Want to make sure. Charts did something weird there. Welcome in, everyone. Good morning. You must have Javon. You must have delayed data. I would imagine. YouTube, can you hear me? No one answered me. Awesome. Thank you. Let's talk about this orb setup here. We got VWAP right above. Where would we be able to enter this trade with the proper risk reward? If we're putting our stop at the bottom of the candle, 761. I mean, it would have to be 800 to 790 area. We'd have to set our stops at 761. What? Point of control. Yeah, point of control 800 area. If we pull back to that, I'll try balance, but we may have a short entry before that up here. We're getting away from our actual setup. Jevon, I'm trading. Trading view automatically updates their charts. I'm on the June contract. You may have delayed data, Jevon. Does he not hear me? Anybody watch any individual stock setups? What a pump! You got to thank everyone. We pushed down to 678. We're at 900 now. It's just going straight up. Was there some kind of news dropped or something? What's going on? Trump tweet possibly? Been a minute, G man. There we go. This is the type of candle he's waiting for. Let's see what happens. All right. I want to give everyone my game plan real quick. What I'm watching. Looking for a pullback to this 8. Basically around that 15-minute range high. I'm going to start my position there half size. And I will add to it if around this 800 down to 790.
I like that too.
Yeah, that's the only option I really see because we have to set our stops. Like I don't know. 761 is a little bit much, but that's where the trade would be invalid.
Make your coffee? It was on the stove. Just burn it.
It could. I mean, it could bounce here, but it's just not enough pullback for me to try it. A lot of times we do get trend entries off pre-market high, low, but in this case we pushed up quite a bit. I want more of a retracement. Unless this can, if we get like a high volume sell candle here, and we close underneath pre-market low and ideally under VWAP, it's gonna make our lives a little more difficult there. I'd like to see a lower volume push down to our bounce area. Looks like it could do it, right? Got 1 minute till this candle closes. It could do anything, so let's just wait on close before we make any decisions. In this current market, I'm convinced anything that can go wrong with the candle within the time frame of it will, especially when we're looking for a confirmation candle. Good morning, Harlem. Yeah, for real, AJ. 14 seconds. If I take this NQ setup, I will trade. All right. Yeah, if we'd have closed below VWAP, I would have tried shorts, but on that candle, now we're retracing. Let's see what we do. If it makes high a day, even with that higher volume candle. But stay patient this morning, everyone. Tough market. You have to be very patient and very precise. I'm not taking no shorts, everyone. I'm not taking shorts. No trade yet. That's what I thought. It's on some trickery again today. I'm not in a trade, Turtle. They will not YouTube. There will not be any ads tomorrow. That's my bad. I usually don't have that on. It the new setup automatically turns it on every time, so I have to turn it off before I start the stream. This market is just something, right? If Jaden got stopped out in them shorts, that was a valid setup. I just, like I said, I'm being extra picky. We'd have to be below VWAP before I was short, as close as we was to it. Carter, you passed the eval? I'm assuming you took longs, right? Even though I haven't taken a trade or anything, I'm glad you passed. The market's trying its best to trick us in the shorts there.
I know. No trades for me yet.
I would have taken some if we'd been below VWAP. That's the only thing that saved me. VWAP being right
Yeah, I
below.
was. If we would have touched 900 and rejected, I was going to try it too. But we didn't, so no trade.
24,000. We're
No
gonna watch that.
I'm watching 24,000 too for sure.
Yeah, definitely worth a watch.
I think it's worth it. I definitely think it's worth it.
Austin, why are you in shorts? Come on, man. Stay locked in. Nice, Caden. Cause Jay, I don't never know which way the market's gonna go. I can only take trades at my key levels with confirmation. It's hard to predict which way we're gonna move short term like this. That's why we have to wait on our key levels. Trade our strategies. Invest bullish long term and day trade key levels zones. Live on TikTok and YouTube. Yeah. Come on, give us more volume. Hurry. All right, everyone. I like a long entry. Well, we've pushed up so much. Hate how much we pushed up. Yeah. If we hadn't have made this massive move up already, I would try loans right here at 900 to 881. But we're just getting too.
Grizzly, what do you think about 900 bounce?
I think we're too extended, or we pushed up too far. What do you think?
I would say initially I thought it was okay, but with pre-market high there, I guess with really tight risk, try like 885 bounce will stop at like 860.
900. I mean, it's a valid trend setup. I mean, that would be a valid trade. 900 entry, or
Yep.
880 to 900. and your stop would have to be below VWAP there, below that previous candle. But ooh, about knocked off my
Well, it
drink.
said, well, you don't get that anyway.
Did we have some kind of news causing this pump, or just being in queue? Nvidia pumping something like that. Fed speaker. What time is that Fed speaker again? Is it now or is it 10:30? I want that Fed speaker to come on right at 24,000 and just be loaded down with puts. 10:15. Okay. Fed speaker in a few minutes, everyone.
All right, we got to find a trade in the next 3 minutes here.
Let's do it.
I'd like to see a sweep 24,000 and hit the ultimate mega trade.
Yes. That Fed speaker, I'm telling you, I hope he's holding a ton of puts. Starts talking right at 24,000.
All right, Gene, you want to get side quick from these restroom? I'll be back.
Any questions? YouTube, TikTok, drop them in comments. You think it's cooked? If you all like have any questions you don't want to put in the comments, you can always follow me on Instagram and DM me. That's where I answer the questions. I guess second best, other than this live. What's up, history? Any update on Grizzology? No, not yet. Grizzology will be getting the new Asia strategy added to it soon, though. I made the announcement in the community yesterday. Mark, I'm not sure what happened there. You're talking about like a long wick to the upside ever? Is that what you're asking? What do I see with that? If it's at a key level, sometimes it can be like a sweep, last reject, whatever you want to call it, kind of what I look for in that type of setup. Make sure you hit the follow. I go live every morning, and maybe we're gonna start doing 2 lives a day. 2 lives a day. If I could speak right. Yeah. TikTok, if you can hear me, will you give me some yes in chat? Either the chat's froze or no one is talking. So there we go. It's working. False alarm. Okay. So There's no Fed speaker now. I'm confused. Careful, we using trend on Grizzology this morning. It's getting overextended on the. I like catching trend when we haven't made such a massive move up before we break pre-market high, or vice versa. If we're looking for shorts, I don't want to see a massive move down before breaking pre-market low for a trend entry. Well, there's no way we rejected like 1 point early. What did that reject at? No way. What, 2 points? I can't even see it, it's so close. Like 2 points? I would simply want to see a little wick above it, then close back below it. Thanks, Ashley. I didn't realize that. We have a hour and 4 hour fair value gap around here, so. I haven't looked at it, Daniel. What's up? What's going on outside? I think I don't know. Let me rephrase that. What I'd like to see happen, and what I can see happening, we'll push above it, kind of chop around the area, then we'll get a nice confirmation candle for a possible short entry. And it wouldn't surprise me in this market if it just got away, one red candle straight down to our price targets. But let's hope not. Eddie, have I been on any podcasts? I used to have one for a minute. Let it go. I went on one podcast. I don't really like I don't like being on someone else's. Kind of like a hermit. Just kind of do my own thing. I had a ton of people ask me to be on their podcast, though. Everyone wants me to come to all these meetups and like podcasts and everything and just speak. If I hang out with you all, I don't want to be teaching. I just want to be hanging out, talking. 80 trades. Your name seems familiar. Trying to think who you are. I feel like we've talked before. Or I've seen you somewhere. What's up, Note? Uh, am I into obstacle runs? Not really. I like pushing the sled around. Does that count? Appreciate the follows, TikTok. Go live every morning. If you like to, want to see the full screen, all that good stuff, move over to my good friend YouTube over here. or just hang out here. YouTube's great. I mean, TikTok's great to stream off of as well. That's where I know you from, Eddie. There we are. We're testing this level. Let's see where we close at, everyone. We have to see what this candle closes. I'm not looking for the. I'm not looking to enter before it closes. I like confirmation. A lot could happen in 2 minutes 20 seconds. Ever, I'm not sure about that one. I don't want to give you a wrong answer. I haven't paid a whole lot of attention to that specific question. Anybody still locked in on the fitness challenge we was doing together? 75 hard. I was watching this for a short entry. I just have to see what we do here. One minute. Let's see what this candle closes like. I'd say if we close below it, it's worth a shot. As long as it just don't sell off crazy here. See what Jaden's doing. All right. Don't you sell off too much. Looking for a short entry, everyone.
Okay, that's what I'm talking about. That's my type of language. Sweep 24,000 and then cooked.
All right, I'm gonna set. If we take this trade, my stop will be at 24,000 and like 5.
Yup. Hopefully we can get. We have 20 more seconds on this. Give us a volume push. That's all I've been watching all morning.
Ooh, don't turn green. Um,
It's tricky.
it's tricky. I'm trying some. I'm in light size. M&Q shorts. Keeping my stops above that previous candle, 24,005. There we go. Keep going.
My boy. Pop back up. I'll join you. I was waiting for a little move up.
It's about to hit my first trim, everyone. Come on, keep going down. There we go. It hit my first trim. Nice. Trim, everyone. Move your stop to entry. This is going to be a green trade regardless.
My boy. I'm still trying it to pop back up. I think there's more room. Probably. I won't say that indefinitely. I want the big one. If I'm going to take a trade, I want the big one.
70. It'd be 70. I'm going to put my stop actually at the top of this candle that we're currently a little bit in the red, not much. Still would be green regardless. I trimmed half my position up there. Or down there, rather.
Going for a scalp?
No, I'm going to see if we can get pre-market low. That's what my price target was. Or pre-market high, rather. Go straight down. There's no point going up. YouTube, if you're delayed more than 4 seconds, refresh. Is anybody in this trade with
I
me?
still like shorts. Any pop up here, like 970 to anywhere in 970. I like shorts still. I don't think it's. I don't think it's this with shots at a bigger reversal.
Make sure you put your stops at entry or at least at the top of this candle. I'm moving my stop down to entry. I'm not giving back any profits. This crazy market. Go down. I'd at least like to see 900 out of this trade. Do it. Market's strong. It may not give it to us. At least we got one trim off if it does hit our entry. The previous candle looks good though. I'd be surprised if we don't get another trim.
On this move up, guys, above 60, I'm gonna start a piece and then can add into 70 to 80 as well of shorts. I think it's worth a try with stops at like 405. You want high risk entry, you can add not the 40s. So you can add a little earlier in the 60s.
Come on, push down. There we go. Keep going. Don't go down.
I think we can go test pre-market high. Looks good.
It doesn't bull flag here.
Good job, Grizzly Glock.
Thanks, man.
See how those puts are moving.
Enough to pay for the steak today, at least so far.
That's all that matters.
Yeah, a trade for steak and taxes.
Yeah, right. Say that again. All right. Let's see.
Got my entry, everyone. I'm out of this trade. Trade is over for me.
I tried a small piece and let's move up to 70 with stops at 24,005.
Probably print for you. I stopped out. I did you a favor.
It's definitely riskier, but 30 points.
All right, everyone. We had a winning trade there. We got one trim off. We stopped out at our entry. Let's see if we can catch another one, okay? I hope the trade prints for J Dunn. Bet it's over for me. Nice. History said up over 11K. I guess you have multiple accounts history. Nice. $40. I'm glad you made money, regardless. Thanks, history. You don't have to buy me anything though. I do appreciate it. I just like trading with you all. Rip down for J Dunn. Come on. I hope it does. I hope it rips straight down to my price target. I love seeing everyone win. You're hating on someone, it's just the wrong vibe. Flagging. I thought it was flagging. I had my suspicions. All right, Gabriel, I got you. If I take another trade, I'll try to be loud so everyone can hear me. If you all see another setup, let me know. What time is it? We got time. I'm glad we stopped out. Nice, Shazo. Shazo making some money on ES. You catch a trade, cowboy? This is a nice candle. This is another possible candle to take a trade with. See where we close at. Jesus, I didn't realize how big that candle was. It don't look that large on the chart until you actually look at the point. 932. Nice. Yeah, Scott, they are. Nice, cowboy.
Trends and reversals. That's it. No ICT wizardry. None of that.
Well, this is another trade setup.
Long entry.
Yeah.
Yeah, I agree. You manage your trade well too.
Thanks, man. How'd yours go?
I stopped out for like 12 points. I didn't like how we what I saw on the 1 minute chart with our volume increasing,
Yeah.
the price being a higher low, so I stopped it. Which ended up being a good decision. I actually don't hate an upside entry now.
What is this here? Let me see.
Like 24,000 to 22,980.
Oh yeah, this is previous day low at 24,043. Look at that candle.
Jesus. What is this market? What is this? Insane.
We hit previous day low. Previous day point of control is at 24,200.
Jeez Louise.
Wow. Hope no one was short there. Oh my goodness. What is this?
Jeez, is that war news? Fed speaker and Trump's pumping the market. Someone's doing something. Gosh. Damn.
Wow. Something happened there. That is not your typical
No,
hit
that is
previous day point of
crazy.
control there.
No shorts, I guess.
Champy.
Little dumping, it probably is war news then. Jeez Louise! Look at that. Watch us sell this whole candle off, too. If it's some
Nice
BS.
user. Hopefully it worked out for you, man. With Grizzology.
Here in the longs, congrats. My goodness. Jeez Louise.
It's like we're getting a new point of control with this candle.
Yeah, yup.
Have to adjust
Well,
mine.
I think at this point, as long as it's not a bogus news candle, we can look for some longs.
Oh, the straight's getting opened. I ran opening the straight up.
Probably is it.
We have one winning trade and everyone starts getting off the lives. Come on, let's catch another one. Lock in, share the live. I'm pumped.
Okay, let's see. What if we're
Let's do it. Billionaires, cake and bake. Nice, Nick. Two winning trades this morning. I don't really see entry for a long. Do you all see anything that makes any sense here to take? Real quick, everyone, while we're waiting on another trade. If you took that trade with me, tag me. Let me know what you made.
Grizzly loves seeing the poster gains.
I do.
And I love seeing it too. All right, let's see here. Let's see what.
24,100. Do we try it? We push down there? Or previous day low bounce? What are we thinking? We have to have our game plan ready. Nice, Nick. Anybody? We're moving quickly here. Kurt, where's it at? Where's the entry at on that fair value gap? I don't have the hourly up right now. I'm looking for a new long entry, everyone. Where are we getting this trade at? Our stops have to be at 24,016. quite a bit of risk on this candle. It's hard to really get an entry on this. I'm not in the trade. I'll be very clear if I take one. I'm watching. Nice, Nick. Never cooked it like that. Scott, I'd be down for that. I'm gonna wait on this. I don't know. 24,000 looks like the best bounce area to me, but we're quite a ways off. Yeah, I could be there in 30 seconds for sure, Scott. This market. Thing popping. I was looking for a possible bounce at that 24, but it's going to go here. It looks like we got a ton of small supplies up above, like little small hourly supplies. That's where we, how the market's been lately. Recently. Nice, champ. Thanks, Ken. Rupture, we've caught one winning trade so far. We're looking for another entry now. Yes, I'll post a live recording on YouTube when we're done, okay? We actually took shorts and made money, and it was a well managed trade, and we had a really good sniper entry. We got one trim off, then it stopped us out at our entry, so we made some sushi money or some steak money. I made steak money. I'll say it's a steak money trade. I don't even know where that sound is coming from outside. Can everyone see my screen? Hear everything? Well, had someone said they can't. The screen's frozen. Just want to make sure. YouTube, we good? Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Oh, I thought you was talking about my screen. So we're respecting previous day point of control, current point of control. They're close. It's a very important level at 24,200. Very dominant, as Jaden likes. Me too. I want another trade as well. Just happy we caught a winning trade. It should be green on the week if we all been trading together all week. It should be green. What, we had a winning trade? Correct me if I'm wrong. We had a winning trade Monday. Tuesday we had a losing trade. Yesterday, I ended up catching a trade after stream was off. It's a very small profit. I took the one I posted on Instagram, the fair value gap. I took that entry for shorts, which put me a little green on the week. Nothing crazy, but now this trade we took today, made it more appealing in my P&L at least. Yeah, we didn't take a trade yesterday morning during the live, did we? I don't believe so. Me says I'm gonna pay myself 500 today. That's awesome. I'm gonna pay myself a little as well. Anyone else paying their stuff today? Market's closed tomorrow. You're welcome, me. Nice, Nick. I like that. Every day's payday for me. What I'm talking about. I'm gonna watch for a bounce. Let's see what Jaden's saying. I want to get his thoughts on this as well.
The side, like where it was moving, I cut.
Where are you looking for a bounce at, Jaden? You can wait to 24,000, or are you thinking about this like 50 area?
I mean, realistically, if we're gonna get a higher low, it's gonna be in that 50 areas. The market's just been. I don't want to get in, have it dump me.
Yeah.
I don't want to get dumped.
Who hurt you?
I don't want it to hurt me.
How's Gene? He trading any?
He only got some longs earlier on his evals.
Nice. So what would that be? 76. I mean, technically, if we wanted to try this fair value gap bounce, we could try it at 78, stops at 30. But I think I like that 24,000 a lot better for a bounce. Like,
I like lower too.
watch it bounce right where I said here.
Might bounce like 100 though. That's high risk area, but it's definitely possible. Definitely possible.
I feel like it could do something crazy here, like sell back off to pre-market low or something weird.
Me too. That's what my spidey senses say.
There you go. What are you hitting at the gym today, Jada? I don't think I asked you yet.
Right, arms.
Arms?
Arms. What about you? What did you hit today?
Just push. I don't think I don't really hit arms anymore. I need to start doing it again. I just hit push, pull, and legs anymore.
Girls for the girls.
And pull day, I hit some curls. I hit like two different sets.
I'm tempted to try longs at like. No, I'm not really, honestly. News candles, such a scam.
Congress is like, okay, let me grab calls before you drop that tweet.
Dead ass. None of these reversal
Nice,
have a
Nick.
lot of volume, so it's
Get it.
sketchy to even try to short this or find a top when we don't have a lot of selling pressure coming in.
Guess that was the bounce area, everyone. I was just afraid to take it, honestly. Like I wouldn't say afraid. I just knew what could happen because of that news candle, and we had quite a bit of selling pressure on that previous candle
I don't like trading
compared to normal
reversals that
volume.
aren't backed by volume.
Market's closed tomorrow.
Yep.
Like next week's gonna be a good week. Manifesting it. I'm green on the week at least.
So,
I had Monday I had a winning trade. Tuesday I had a losing trade. Wednesday I didn't take a trade during the live. I ended up catching a small trade later on yesterday. And today we had a winning trade.
yep. One red day for me this week too. Well, technically, if I stop trading today,
It's the same day, right? Tuesday.
Yep, Tuesday.
Yep. Why is it closed? It's Good Friday. We got Easter on Sunday. Some basketball this weekend, right, Jada?
Yep, Final Four.
It's hard to judge this volume because that massive volume candle. Fair value gap was it?
That was the bounce area. Grizzly Glock.
Yeah.
That was it right there. That was it. I wouldn't have taken that. There's no way I would have taken that.
That 24,200 and 24,210 is going to be hard to get above. Uh, we got previous day point of control and current point of control. Then we got Asia high right above it, 245. Make sure you share the live, everyone. See if we can catch one more trade together. And there's about a 3 to 4 second delay on YouTube. Appreciate all the follows, TikTok. You all crushing it. YouTube, can you all hit the likes for me, the thumbs up, all that good stuff? I'm not sure how many we got because I cannot see it. It's streaming this way currently. Thank you. I'm not sure what the movie is here. I think it'll be hard to get above this, though. At least close above it.
Completely shoot it down, but probably not. Like 80% no.
Well, I don't want to try shorts again, but I don't know what we're going to do here. Not really our typical type of setup.
Grizzly, you gonna miss me when I leave for a week?
I miss you, man.
Miss you.
I
We
should
miss
just go
everybody.
with you. We get to celebrate our birthdays together.
Yeah. So we have the same birthday. That's actually not a joke.
Well, I should have taken shorts. Yep. So we do have the same birthday, May 8th. You're just a little bit
Yep.
older than I am. Oh,
Yep. I
man.
turned 37 this year.
Yeah. I'll be 35 today.
Crazy.
How old will you be? Like 29?
37.
Yeah.
36 right now. Jerome Bettis.
After my last trip out of town, I don't know when I'll travel again. Oh, I didn't think I was going to get home. I really thought I was going to buy a car or rent a private jet to get home.
Bro said 37 is nuts.
He's not 37,
No,
don't live.
I'm 36 right now. You didn't know that? I'm 37 in a month. No, I wasn't younger than you last year.
Still watching for one more setup, everyone. The only reason I'm still around. We'll see if we push down to that
I'm,
24,000 area.
I'm 29. I'm just messing with you. I turned 30 this year.
You turned 30? I thought you turned 29 for
Yeah,
some reason.
I'm 29 right now. Nope. I'll turn 30 in about a month.
30, 30.
My dirty 30s.
All right, have a good day. Glad you made some money. I'm still here, just hanging out.
When I want to try shorts again. You're looking for the longs, right? You said like 24,000?
Well, I was gonna take shorts at 175 or four rather, and I just hesitated. Now I'm gonna watch for the 24,000 bounce.
15 minutes, not showing a ton.
Now, Steve, you passed
Be
the
open at
eval.
927.
Holiday was crazy. They canceled five of my flights in a row when I was trying to get home. There was no rental cars, no train tickets, no bus tickets.
With love. Oh, thank you. With love.
You can't hear me, Josh?
Do I want to take shorts? Yes. And I gotta wait for either a good trend or reversal entry or B a trend entry for longs. Also yes. Also yes.
Scott, that was my next choice: private jet or buy a vehicle, drive home. I would hate it. I mean, I don't see. There's rarely a good situation where you should rent a private jet. I feel like, unless you're like stranded like I was, just don't make it that. Don't make sense to spend that much on it. To me. I guess if you had enough money to buy one, it would make sense then, because you're definitely not gonna miss it. Well, thanks, Paula. Appreciate the appreciate that. I don't see no interest here. Well, we had higher volume, but it was look at the candle, previous candle though. Hard to short. Steve, we caught one trade today. We is a winning trade. We was trying to catch another one. I hesitated once and we missed out on another trade that was my bad. I wish the market was open tomorrow. I'm really enjoying our lives. Make sure you hit the follow. Go live every morning. Kind of want to go live tomorrow. Just hang out, teach, talk, something. I like the grind. I don't know. Thanks, Jay. Thank you for the follow. I would say your name, but I'm pretty sure I would butcher your name. So the fair value was it. That balance earlier. Yeah, possibly like a just find something to teach about. We'll see. If I could teach options, I could. It's been a while since I've taught options, but see what my daughter wants to do in the morning. She'll probably be asleep though, I'd imagine. We did have that big move up off of the news. We could just chop here, then make some random move later in the day. I don't know. The option we mean options and futures are different. I'm sorry, I'm misunderstanding your question, probably, Gabriel. What was the news? From what people posted, I haven't actually looked. Going to open the straight or considering it? What's up, TikTok? Welcome in. Make sure you hit the follow before you head out. How about you all? Do you see anything else worth us waiting for here? Tell me. Do we take our one winning trade and call it a morning, or do we look more? It's group answer. Let's see. Yeah, market closes tomorrow. Nice. TFS. Good job, man. I seen it earlier. I didn't take it though. TFS. What is this? Mm-hmm. Let's watch this Asia high. I want to watch one more setup. This Asia high. See what we do there. Basically, where that news candle pushed up to for a possible reject, maybe like a double top type thing. And a lot of times when you have news or data, it will retest the high or low before making a move in the opposite direction. Not always. It don't always move in the opposite direction, but you all know the data strategy. I know it's not the same thing, but basically how it works. It's just going to be so hard to get above this. Let's see. If we sweep this, I may give it a try. I don't know. 1 minute left on this candle. Let's see what happens. Who was that said they starting at point of control? Money, man. Nice entry up there. Increase in volume, but still low volume. Are you in trade, Jaden?
Nope. You looking at shorts?
Yeah, I think I'm trying. Yep. Well,
I was looking for a piece too. I was looking to try that.
I'm gonna try a light size of shorts here, everyone. M and Q shorts. It's light size. Stop is at 213. If you made money on the first trade, you don't want to risk it. I don't blame you. I'm going like half, quarter size, rather.
I like that with stops above like point control high.
Yeah. I mean, if we break above this and close, we're
I'll
gonna.
try a small piece with you. I tried a piece of shorts in the 80s too here.
Yeah.
Why not?
I'm positioned where I'm still gonna be small green if this does. Well, I'll still be green if this hits my stop up there. Should be.
Try a small piece with you too. Why not? There's a world where it just nukes up. I'm okay with being red today, if that's the case. 80 to 90 area is what I like.
I'm not adding to this one, everyone. I'm keeping it light size. Not
Maybe
risk.
give it a little go. No harm, no foul if it don't work out. But if it does, I'll literally hold it all day. We can catch a reversal up here like yesterday. No, wrong way. So I'll hold it. I'll just set my stops. Probably trim it like 1.5 or so. R. And then just set the stops break even.
Will it get it?
Let it stop out. No, I have my stop at 216.
What is it? I put mine
You can
215.
go one of two ways. You're on screen share. It's either going to A, find this lower high and just die, probably pretty aggressively, or B, it's going to nuke up above this and probably go test high day up here.
But we're hoping for straight down to pre-market low on one candle.
Low a day.
Low a day.
Send it low a day.
That'd be cool.
More news tweet. Trump, get those fingers activated. Happy Easter, Chad.
Oh, I see green, everyone.
See green. We see green.
Keep going. Stay green. Go further into
We
green.
see green. The first trade I took went in profit too. 15, 20 points. I just wanted more. That's like this. I'm not trimming this. I gotta get entry. I'm not trimming. It's up like 20, 30 points depending on your entry right now.
If we break below 50, I'll trim. If we break below 50, everyone trim. Well, keep going. Long way.
On the bright side, we're up. If you want to win today, you're up like 20 points right now. I'm chilling. I'm letting this puppy cook. Letting her cook. Let her cook. You're either gonna cook or get stopped out. I don't like that hold to that 150.
Yeah, let's hope we break it. That's going to be the.
I don't like how that 1 minute chart looks either, to be completely honest with you. Pretty strong higher low there. It's gonna make or break here. We're either gonna make another. Serious up, Gene. I took some shorts up there. I had high hopes, and now I'm just doing some BS.
We're basically at break
We're up
even
like 20
here,
points.
everyone. Y'all don't like the trade.
Yep.
I'm so glad I'm holding to my stop loss or my price targets.
Me too.
One winning trade, and we're currently in a trade right at our entry. We're in shorts. We keep doing what I like to see with the candles. I know the volume stuff doesn't look the best, but
Now let it just die.
yeah,
Just rip.
it could.
I'm
Could just
holding my
go
price
straight
targets
down
too.
to 122 here easily.
Yep.
We break
Come
below
on.
155, I will trim everyone. 150. Break below 150, I trim.
I'm gonna trim a little early, Grizzly. I'm taking a few contracts off here. 150.
Trimming.
Trimming down here, guys.
Beautiful.
Trimmed everybody.
There we
Trimmed
go.
everybody. Trimmed everybody.
Stops at entry, everyone. Stops at entry.
Trimmed everybody.
2 winning trades.
Oh, let's go. Come on. Push it down. Yeah, baby. Push it down. Stops at entry too. Stops are at 1. We're gonna put below it, like 185.
You had 2 chances of getting that trade at our entry.
I swear to you, I will hold this trade all day. I will hold this all day.
My next trim will be in the 20s, everyone, if we get down there. All right, trim.
My average on this is 88.
Trimmed again.
Super good, 188.
I just got a small piece left.
Come on.
What's everyone think about this trade? Good, right?
Let's go. Oh, I want this thing. I want this thing. Where the haters from earlier go? I need to find word.
We got 2 trims.
And for the haters, a word, please.
I'm gonna leave my stop at entry still, even though we trimmed twice because I'm so light. I want to try to catch this move down.
Me too.
we're ending the week strong. So the market's closed tomorrow. So I expect
Yep.
everyone to get their stake in today.
Must. Must get steak in today.
That's right.
I've got to know everybody for the man Grizzly. Boy, Jay Dunn, if you guys made some money with us today on the trade, literally we're up right now at this point, 60 points in that trade. Let's get some end of the week energy flowing, guys. Drop it out in the chat. Let me know. I want to see more W.
Nice trade, everyone. Good job on that trade. Sniper entry. $800 is stake money all day, every day. I usually consider anything under 400 sushi money. I guess we can just say 400 and under. We consider it sushi money. 400 above, steak. I mean, unless you all have a better scale than myself, better way to. I usually just get three sell. Like I trim twice, and my next trim, I'm completely out. My next sell, close the trade. You're a vegetarian. That's okay. Just trying to make sure nothing eats your food. You know. Yes, it was. No, I don't care if you're what you what you all eat. It's none of my business. Any kind of diet you want to be on, go for it. Oh, you're girl. I'm sorry. Did I call you something else? My bad. I don't mean anything bad. If I keep sometimes the usernames, and it's hard for me to see the profile pics sometimes. I identify as a Grizzly. So good weekend, Mark. Is everyone still in this trade or no? Come on, let's go down. Gabriel, you don't know if you should hold. Put your entry at your stop at your entry. It's about to get mine. It keeps pushing up. Still in this, Jadon?
Go tech. What? Oh, yeah. My rest of my stocks at 188 or 185. Excuse me.
It pushes up much further. It's going to grab the stop. My stop.
We are green, baby, green machine. There's a chance if we close this strong, we move up. I'm happy with how that trade went. Basically 190 down to like 120, 70 points.
And it was close. If it pushes up any higher, I'll be out, everyone. Pushes up any higher than this, I'll be out of this trade.
After that winner, I think we're deserving of
All
something
right,
special.
I'm out of this trade, everyone. It's over for me.
J-Dam's just a dart thrower.
What is wrong with him? Hilarious. All right, everyone. That concludes our trading week. The market's closed tomorrow, Good Friday, Easter on Sunday. Make sure you stay locked in on our challenge, our fitness challenge we're doing together. We had 2 winning trades today. We're in the week green. And I'll see. I might try to stream tomorrow for just, throw in some. Oh, built that. We're good, though. Oh, that went on my bow. But I'll see you all bright and early Monday morning, okay?